Such a nice spot. You know what it needs? Some flute. Maybe I can turn some grass into flute. First, I need a knife. Any knives here? Some nice chert, flint. Sharp edge there, probably better. Point. Like that. Should be good enough to cut. Let's sharpen it up. Good solid edge. Here's some other flutes I made from the giant reed. So this is the one I made in the video using the rock flint knife. It's a little bit rough edged, but these other ones I all made using this little pocket knife, nothing else. But I'm able to achieve a better mouthpiece shape there and cleaner holes, which gives you a better sound. There's variation in the types of mouthpieces I use. And of course the holes are kind of random, so none of them are tuned. The long ones sound better, in my opinion. I'll show you how they sound. Now, I don't play the flute at all. I can just barely make the noise.